What is up, guys? It is your boy here, Squid. I got a question about a month and a half ago on my shout out video where I asked you guys to drop me comments if you wanted to, but or drop me questions if y'all wanted me to, but only Code Gray ever did. So I'm going to answer his question really quick, which is, did I take the MSF course, and if yes, what did I take it on? Short answer is yes. The longer detailed answer is yes, I did. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. That was the video. Now I'm fucking with you. So yeah, I did. I learned on a GZ250. I took the course through Ferris State, which at the time was through the MCC building, so it's only like 20 minutes from my house. So I was like, yeah, fuck yeah, I'll do it. And that was after I learned that I liked riding on the road in Canada, because, you know, you can have quads on the road in certain areas, and bear hunting, you ride a quad, right? And I wanted to get legal here so I could do what I wanted to do. I liked doing it. It was a fun time. I fell in love with it. So I signed up, 50 bucks, 3 days later, and I'm fully endorsed. I aced literally everything. Like, written test was a no-brainer, easy as sin. Like 2 + 2 is 4, it's easy, you know. All common sense. The riding portion was also pretty easy once I actually like let my nerves go away and I got used to what I was doing. Because there was times where I started off like in second gear instead of first, and the bike would stall out and I didn't realize it. That happened once. I stalled out because I was in second gear. Then it wouldn't start for the life of it, even with the clutch in. And it took the instructor saying, "Hey, are you in second gear?" for me to realize, oh, right, yep, I'm in second gear, my bad. So, and then I also almost dropped the bike like day one, because we just rode him over to the learning section with all the lines and shit. And I went to put my foot down with it in neutral, because, you know, they want you to put it in neutral and then put your fist up, so, you know, that way they know you're in neutral, you're not on the clutch, you know. And I put it in neutral, and I went to put my fist up, my foot down, and long story short, my bootless got caught on the peg. I almost went down, but I caught it, thank God. That would have been embarrassing as hell to go down on the first day, first half hour. Really quick picture of the bikes up here from Baby Squid, back when I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So yeah, I learned there. I highly recommend it too. Like, everybody passed except for one guy, and that's only because he washed out going around the obstacle and he crashed on the final test, which a crash is an automatic failure if you didn't know that. So unfortunately for him, that was game over. So hopefully he went back and got his learners though, or his endorsement, because he was a pretty cool guy. I don't know why my saddlebag keeps fucking flying open on me. Definitely recommend doing it though, because like I said, I went from not knowing how a clutch worked with a shifter to a fully endorsed motorcyclist, biker, whatever you want to call me, in 3 days. 3 8-hour class periods, and I was sold. I was good. I was endorsement on my license, ready to rock and roll. And I guess now I ask you guys, have you taken the motorcycle safety course through the MSF or whatever safety course y'all have around you? I mean, I know it wasn't a long video, but I can't really talk that long about this kind of stuff, because it's just a quick little answer and a couple stories. There wasn't a long time to be there. It was like 3 days, 24 hours. No? Yeah, about 24 hours. Nothing too serious happened. It was just a fun time all around, you know. I enjoyed myself. It was a good time. I was a big guy on a little bike. One thing. If you take it, you have to have full-face helmet and a full glove. Like, you can't have holes in the gloves anywhere. Yeah, anyway, take it. I recommend it. If you're gonna get into riding, do it. I mean, like, I went from not even knowing how the hell a shifter worked to I can bang gears now, damn near, you know. Some of you might be like a bit apprehensive about doing it because you see all these guys dying everywhere. Well, just do it anyway. Just like in review, yeah, I took the MSF course and I rode on a GZ250 Suzuki. I mean, that's about it. Now you're gonna see these awkwardly cut up because I prematurely did the end screen, but you know, whatever. Anyway, this has been your boy Squiddy. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this short video. I know it wasn't long. I'm looking at like 5.5 minutes with all this other shit that I've said. But so I guess, yeah, like and subscribe, comment if you want to. I don't know what the hell you normally do. I mean, shit, I thought I had more to talk about unless I'm forgetting stuff.